Dismantling the X stage. To dismantle the X stage, start by undoing the X joint, linking the A and B poles with a 6mm hex key. Undo both screws anti-clockwise, alternating between them to evenly release the X joint. Remove the B pole and put it into the pole bag and then the X joint. Now undo the 3 hex screws holding the bearing to the upper center plate of the stage frame. Vertically lift the A pole out with the bearing still attached to the A pole and place them back into the pole bag. Now unlock the stage floor plates by pulling out the 2 spring catches either side of the underside of floor plates. Rotate them 90 degrees to release the pins from the frames, dismantling the X stage. To dismantle the X stage, remove all the plates and place 3 into each of the supplied bags, 6mm hex key. The subframes can now be folded down. Fold them back towards the number 1 fixed subframe. Once closed, put the frame back into the carry case, ensuring it goes in the correct way, and then secure it down by tightening up the Velcro straps. Once everything is packed up, pull up the 2 extendable rods in the subframe bag and take the stage floor plate bags and rest them against the pins. Hold the handles and slowly lift the main bag, and this will then allow you to wheel them away together.